Zakir, Tristan, Matthew, Saud, Aisha. Together, we are G6. Our 10% project aims to design an engaging solution for long life learning, inspired by cultural identity and representation. We will explore the loss of cultural identity in our modern world through discovery, imagination, and innovation. Specifically, we will create a reimagined artifact showcasing how Nguni cultural influences might have shaped our environments. We'll focus on the theme of congregation in 5 areas: education, socializing, dining, religion, and governance, examining their meanings in Nguni cultures. This project involves deep research and symbolism tied to cultural heritage and rethinking current and future design influences. During the workshop, we were given a set of questions and asked to draw what we thought best represented the ideas and shapes we discussed. Each of us had different interpretations. We conducted extensive research on Zulu culture, learning about their way of life, interactions, environmental relationships, beliefs, and ceremonies. This knowledge significantly enriched our project, ensuring it is culturally appropriate. We began creating the game by setting the scene during the period from 1816 to 1824, a pivotal area of Zulu expansion. This time marked the defeat of local rivals and the incorporation of neighboring groups through alliances or conquest, leading to the emergence of the Zulu kingdom. The year 1824 also signifies the arrival of colonizers at Port Natal. Our game focuses on fostering unity and bringing people together. To win, a player must establish 3 societies, one possessing all the resource tokens, and form one coalition. We conducted numerous test runs to refine the game mechanics and ensure the rules are thoroughly tested. We used a 3D printer to make our game die, going through several prototypes until we found the design that best worked with our game. We decided on having 6 land pieces that include military, agriculture, trade, housing, water, and culture. Each land piece corresponds to a specific resource token, including crops, cattle, equine, and a chief token. Additionally, there are 2 special tokens, the Sangoma token, enabling coalitions, and a defense token, usable against white cards. White cards introduce setbacks to the player's progress in the game. Marriage tokens indicate player coalitions. To craft our symbols, we drew inspiration from the book Indaba, My Children, African Tribal History, Legends, Customs, and Religious Beliefs. Utilizing a grid system, we manipulated and designed our symbols, which are featured on the game pieces. To bring our game to life, we chose MDF material, which creates a natural atmosphere reminiscent of how the Zulu people praised and absorbed nature into their everyday lives. Utilizing a laser cutter, we were able to create elaborate and unique parts, which added detail to the game. The laser cutting process spanned several hours. During this time, we took a trip to a nearby material shop to explore options for crafting our game bag. Discovering brown leather material reminiscent of the leather used in Zulu shields, we were inspired. We sketched a design for our bag, envisioning it as the vessel for our game. Realizing our game needed a touch of color, we initially attempted to paint the etched areas of the MDF board and then sand them. However, this approach proved unsuccessful. Instead, we chose to use ink, which provided a more consistent and luxurious feel to our game. To ink the pieces, we embarked on a learning journey about ink application, mastering techniques like rolling it out until achieving a velvet-like texture. Experimenting with color mixing enabled us to achieve our desired colors. To elevate the game's feel, we decided to apply varnish after inking. Through a journey of research, creativity, and collaboration, our project has culminated into the creation of a culturally rich and engaging game that celebrates unity and heritage. From the initial concept of exploring cultural identity to the final stages of refining game components and branding, every step has contributed to the evolution of our design. One of the key lessons we have learned is the importance of deep research and understanding of cultural context. From failed attempts to successful innovations, each challenge has propelled us forward, ultimately leading to a more refined and polished final product. Furthermore, our product underscores the power of collaboration and interdisciplinary exchange. Drawing inspiration from diverse sources such as literature, historical sites, and traditional craftsmanship has enriched our design with depth and authenticity. In conclusion, our project serves as a testament to the transformative potential of design in fostering cultural appreciation, promoting unity, and sparking meaningful engagement. By embracing curiosity, creativity, and cultural sensitivity, we have created not just a game, but a tangible expression of shared heritage and collective identity.